Greenwich, Jackler. Go with him.
Hey, what's that guy's name?
Menzies. Harris Menzies.
Be safe. Hey, you look after them.
Hey, Menzies, you hear me?
Loud and proud.
Okay, just hold tight.
I expect an early extraction after this.
You deliver, and so will I.
You know what? You guys, you should check this out. Why don't you take a look out this window?
Why?
Just check it out.
At least now we know what's powering the station.
You've certainly been a welcome addition, Carmichael.
Promised my wife I'd be home for dinner.
Technically, it's not even lunch back on Earth.
10 minutes is all I've been gone.
Does your head in if you think about it too much.
It's the only thing that's kept me going.
Yeah, I got a little girl who's expecting me at a school science fair this afternoon.
You got a daughter?
Yeah.
How old?
6.
What's her name?
Josephine Emma.
It's a beautiful name.
Thanks.
What do you tell her when you go to work?
What are we supposed to do with this? It's shot.
Daddy loves you all the way to the Milky Way. Not the short way, but the long way.
You in that room yet? You in the furnace room yet?
Yeah.
Hey, just hold tight.
We didn't need you to come down here with us. I can do this on my own.
What can you do on your own, Claire?
Look at our lives, Morgan. Look at it. It wouldn't work.
Yeah, look at our lives.
A child needs support on all levels.
Claire, I would walk away from this in a heartbeat.
Menzies, you standing by?
Yeah.
I need the furnaces to think they're gonna go critical.
That way I can access the override. You understand?
Yeah.
Greenwich, I'm gonna need you on the valves.
Which one?
You start at B3 and you work your way around from there.
I won't let anything happen to us, okay? I promise. The 3 of us.
He's gone, Morgan. I had to get rid of it. I had to do it. It was inside, baby.
Morgan. Medic.
Claire. Claire. Claire.
She dead.
Claire.
Medic.
Did you do that to Morgan?
He left me no choice. Wait. I'm so sorry. I'm supposed to get you home.
You can still help me. Claire, listen. You need to tell me how we slow this thing down, please.
It's too smart.
Tell me something you haven't tried. Tell me something crazy. Tell me anything crazy, like some kind of drug, or a cleaning solution, an APOC agent, anything, please, please.
Ma，对不起，我去不了你巴士大手。
No, I don't understand. I don't understand what you're saying. What are you saying?
She's saying goodbye to Mom.
What the fuck would you know? Please. Tell me something crazy that you haven't tried.
She's dead, Whit.
Please. Please.
Just you and me.